Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to export your transaction history from Cash App. This feature is really helpful if you want to keep detailed records, track your spending, or prepare for taxes. To get started, open your Cash App and log in. From the home screen, tap the profile icon on the top right corner to access your account settings. Then scroll down and select Support or Cash App Support depending on your app version. Next, tap on something else and then select Account Settings. Here, look for the option called Get Statements or Transaction History. This will allow you to request your full transaction history. You will be asked to enter your email address where you want the transaction history files sent. Once you provide your email, submit a request, and Cash App will prepare a detailed report of your transactions. The transaction history is usually sent as a CSV file, while you can open on Excel, Google Sheets, or any other spreadsheet software. This file includes important details like dates, amounts, transaction types, and recipient information. Keep in mind that processing the request might take a few minutes or longer depending on how many transactions you have. Once you receive the file, you can easily organize and analyze your financial activities. Exporting your transaction history is especially useful for budgeting, expense tracking, or providing proof of payments when needed. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Thank you so much for watching.